Repairable headphones usually come with compromises, but with these, I can't find any. These are the Fender Audio Mix, and they're fully modular, just like the Fairbuds, but they come with a really cool extra feature. This has 40mm graphene drivers, hybrid noise cancellation, and up to 100 hours of battery life. You can also swap the headband, the ear cushions, and if you remove this little bracket here, you can even swap the battery. But the coolest part is hidden behind this cushion. If you pull this guy out, put it in your phone or laptop, you can stream at 24-bit 96 kilohertz lossless audio. Pretty cool.